I'm going to do a quick video on two utility knives I picked up today when I was out at the depot. Two different models here. So this Stanley knife comes with one blade, and it's actually a round point blade. That's a little bit odd. We'll open it up and see what that looks like. This is an auto retracting, so I'm not really sure what that means, so we're going to open it up and see what it does. If you watch my other video, you know that I carry a screwdriver with me anytime I'm in the shop. Got my old Weehaw, so put it on the screw side. And it comes apart just like the old standard Stanley knives, or DeWalt for that matter. Take the blade out. Like I said, it comes with this rounded safety blade, which I'm not a fan of. I think I'll go grab a real blade to put into it. Just like the standard Stanley utility knife, you can put blades in storage. We're going to put 3 in storage right here. And then we're going to put 1 in the knife. So you set it in there. So like it needs to go to the second notch to be all the way out. When you have it open, you'll notice that the difference between this and a standard utility knife is a spring. This spring allows the blade to automatically return. See how that works. And there's no notch here for the thumb control to latch into, so this knife will only stay out as you push your thumb forward. Put it back together quickly. So there you have it. Blade out, let go, blade goes back in, blade out. I think this would be a good choice to carry in your pocket when you're working around the house. I do carry a pouch anytime I'm around the shop or working around the house, and that pouch has a standard, this is actually a Craftsman knife with a locking blade, but I think that you know, to put in your pocket, this is a good choice, because I have left these with the blade out, stuck them in my pocket. It's not a good thing, you know. Cut the business, cut your leg, cut whatever. That's not a good thing. So there you go. I think that's a good choice. I think this was about $6 at Home Depot. So next up is this DeWalt. This is a folding retractable knife, also made in the USA with global materials. Of course, I think everybody who's probably watching this knows that DeWalt tools are made by Stanley. Stanley also makes the Craftsman tools and owns the Craftsman brand, so they're kind of all brothers or cousins or sisters, whichever the case might be. Anyway, let's open this up. So this knife does have the no tool blade change. You just push this black button and it pulls out. Now this is connected on the back to the clip, but you just push this button and this will slide right out. Now it actually slid out because there's no notches in the cardboard. But there you have it when you open it up. So, you know, pretty nice. Looks like, oh, it's got a liner lock right here. Kind of like a pocket knife for the retractable feature. Push that in, fold it over. It's got a retractable knife. It's got a little bit of a lip here, so I guess you could one-hand it open. And then this is going to activate the blade. It's got a pocket clip too. It's a blade down pocket clip, which would not be my preference for a pocket knife, but you know, for a utility knife, it's probably okay. Okay, so this knife comes with 3 blades stored on board, and to access those blades you pull on the back of the storage compartment, which is the handle, and you'll see that the liner lock actually holds the blades in there. So we're going to pull a blade out. That'll leave 2 in there. Shut this back. So to put the blade in, push the retractable handle up. You slide the blade, push it down on this button, push the blade in. There you go. You find it locked in there. It's locked in there. Change the blade, you just push this black button and the blade comes out. Get a new blade, push it in, lock it. This knife, like a lot of other ones, does have this little bit of a string cutter or wire cutter. It's a very narrow notch, but you could get a piece of string up in there to cut it. Like I said, it's retractable. Retract it. It's foldable. Push the liner lock. You know, you can one-hand it. There you go. It's not really that. Yeah, looks like you can one-hand close it too. So that's a pretty interesting. I've had a few of the other foldable knives, but they're not retractable. So I think that this retractable folding DeWalt is a nice choice. I did pick these up at the depot, but I would imagine you can find them online. I will look, and if possible, I'll put links in the videos below in case you want to check them out. So there you have it. The Stanley auto retracting and the DeWalt folding retracting utility knife. Giving both of these a thumbs up, and I appreciate watching my video. If you like it and are interested in more of what I have to do, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.